Hard disk drive (HDD). A hard disk drive (HDD), hard disk, hard drive, or fixed disk is an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data using one or more rigid rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic material. The platters are paired with magnetic heads, usually arranged on a moving actuator arm, which read and write data to the platter surfaces. Data is accessed in a random access manner, meaning that individual blocks of data can be stored and retrieved in any order. HDDs are a type of non-volatile storage, retaining stored data even when powered off. Introduced by IBM in 1956, HDDs were the dominant secondary storage device for general-purpose computers beginning in the early 1960s. HDDs maintained this position in the modern era of servers and personal computers, though personal computing devices produced in large volumes, like cell phones and tablets, rely on flash products. More than 224 companies have produced HDDs historically, though after extensive industry consolidation most units are manufactured by Seagate, Toshiba, and Western Digital. HDDs dominate the volume of storage produced exabytes per year for servers. Though production is growing slowly, sales revenues and unit shipments are declining because solid-state drives (SSDs) have higher data transfer rates, higher areal storage density, better reliability, and much lower latency and access times. The revenues for SSDs, most of which use NAND, slightly exceed those for HDDs. Flash storage products had more than twice the revenue of hard disk drives as of 2017. Though SSDs have 4 to 9 times higher cost per bit, they are replacing HDDs in applications where speed, power consumption, small size, high capacity, and durability are important. Cost per bit for SSDs is falling, and the price premium over HDDs has narrowed. The primary characteristics of an HDD are its capacity and performance. Capacity is specified in unit prefixes corresponding to powers of 1000. A 1 terabyte (TB) drive has a capacity of 1000 gigabytes (GB), where 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion byte. Typically, some of an HDD's capacity is unavailable to the user because it is used by the file system and the computer operating system, and possibly inbuilt redundancy for error correction and recovery. Also, there is confusion regarding storage capacity since capacities are stated in decimal gigabytes powers of 10 by HDD manufacturers, whereas some operating systems report capacities in binary gigabytes, which results in a smaller number than advertised. Performance is specified by the time required to move the heads to a track or cylinder, average access time, adding the time it takes for the desired sector to move under the head, average latency, which is a function of the physical rotational speed in revolutions per minute, and finally the speed at which the data is transmitted, data rate. The two most common form factors for modern HDDs are 3.5-inch, for desktop computers, and 2.5-inch, primarily for laptops. HDDs are connected to systems by standard interface cables such as PATA parallel ATA, SATA serial ATA, USB, or SAS serial attached SCSI cables. Please subscribe, like video, share, comment and click bell icon for upcoming videos.